In this video, I am going to discuss about some short questions and answer from profit and loss for SE students. And for the notification of my next video, please subscribe my channel. Question number 1. Lemons are bought at 4 rupee 1 and sold at 3 rupee 1. Find the profit percent. Here 4 lemons are bought for rupee 1 and 3 lemons are sold for rupee 1. We have to find out profit percent. Let's see the solution. CP of 4 lemons is equal to rupee 1. It means CP of 1 lemons is equal to RS 1 by 4. Again, SP of 3 lemons given rupee 1. SP of 1 lemons is equal to 1 by 3. Here, this 1 by 3 is greater than 1 by 4. It means SP is greater than CP. So we have profit. Now profit percent, P percent is equal to SP minus CP by CP into 100%. SP means 1 by 3. CP means 1 by 4 by 1 by 4 into 100%. Now take the LCM of 3 and 4. LCM of 3 and 4 is 12. It means 4 minus 3 by 12 into 1 by 4 into 100%. That is equal to 4 minus 3 is equal to 1 by 12 by 1 by 4 into 100% is equal to 1 by 12. This 1 by 4 reciprocal of 1 by 4 is 4 by 1 into 100%. Now multiply this 400 divided by 12 is equal to 33.33% is the answer. Now question number 2. A shopkeeper sold an electric article for Rs 1836 at 2% profit. What will be the profit percent if it is sold for Rs 1827? It means according to question, an article is sold for rupees 1836 at a profit of 2%. It means SP given, profit percent given, we have to find out at first CP. Let's see the solution. SP of an article is equal to RS 1836. Profit percent, P percent is equal to 2%. CP of an article is equal to 100 by 100 plus profit percent into SP. 100 by 100 plus 2, this profit percent is given 2 into 1836. This 100 into 1836 equal to 1,83,600 divided by 112 is equal to RS 1800. This CP, it means CP of article is 1800. Again SP of article is again given 1827. Again this SP is greater than CP, so we have profit. Now profit percent equal to SP minus CP by CP into 100%. SP given 1827 minus 1800 divided by 1800 into 100% equal to this, subtract it, 27 by 1800 into 100%, that is equal to 2700. 27 into 100 equal to 2700 divided by 1800. is equal to 1.5% is the answer. If you divide it, 2700 divided by 1800, then 1.5 is the result, that is answer. Now question number 3. A retailer sold an electric iron for Rs 1330 and made a loss of 5%. At what price should he sell it to gain 5%? Solution. At first, SP of electric iron is given 1330. SP of an iron is equal to 1330 and loss percent given. Loss percent, L percent is equal to 5%. Cp of an iron is equal to 100 by 100 minus L percent into Sp. It means Sp given, loss percent given. At first we have to find out Cp of an iron. 100 by 100 minus L percent into Sp. 100 by 100 minus 5, loss percent means 5%, into 1330. 100 by 95 into 1330, that is equal to 1,33,000 divided by 95. This 1330 into 100 is equal to 1,33,000 divided by 95 is equal to Rs 1400. Again this one is Cp, and again we have to sold it at a gain of 5%. It means Cp of an iron is given 1400, gain percent is equal to given 5%. Again we have to find out Sp. Now Sp is equal to, Sp of an iron is equal to Cp plus profit percent of Cp. Cp means 1400 plus 5% into 1400. 1400 plus 5 by 100 into 1400. 1400 plus this 20 cancel, then 5 into 14. 1400 plus this 5 into 14 is equal to 70. Let's add it. 1470 is the answer. Now question number 4. Find the loss percent when 10 kg of rice is sold for the cost price of 8 kg rice. Let Cp of 1 kg rice is equal to Rsx. Cp of 8 kg of rice is equal to Rs8x. Cp of 10 kg of rice is equal to Rs10x by using unitary method. Now according to question, 10 kg of rice is sold for the cost price of 8 kg rice. It means Sp of 10 kg rice is equal to Cp of 8 kg rice. Cp of 8 kg rice is given 8x, so Sp of 10 kg rice is equal to 8x. Now Sp is given 8x, Cp is given 10x. It means Cp is greater than Sp, so we have loss. Now loss percent is equal to Cp minus Sp by Cp into 100%. 10x minus 8x by 10x into 100%. 10x minus 8x, that is 2x, divided by 10x into 100%. X cancel, 5 2s are 10. It means 1 by 5 into 100%. 100 divided by 5 is equal to 20% is the answer. Question number 5. A dishonest shopkeeper has 2 false balance. one balance weighs 10% more while buying the goods and another weighs 10% less while selling the goods. Find his gain percent just by weighting. Solution: while buying the goods, in the place of 1000 grams of goods, he buys 10% more. It means 1000 plus 10% of 1000 gram. That is equal to 1000 plus 10% means 10 by 100 into 1000 is equal to 100 plus this 20 cancel. It means 10 into 10 is equal to 1000 plus 100. 100 into 10 into 10 is equal to 100. That equal to 1100 gram. While buying the goods, he cheated 1100 gram minus 1000 gram is equal to 100 grams. It means that shopkeeper cheated 100 gram while buying the goods. While selling the goods, he cheated 10% of 1100 gram, because while buying, that shopkeeper buys 1100 grams of goods. So 10 by 100 into 1100 grams. Let's calculate it. This 20 cancel, then 10 into 11 is equal to 110 gram. It means while buying the goods, he cheated 100 gram. While selling the goods, he cheated 110 gram. It means total cheated goods equal to 100 grams plus 110 grams is equal to 210 grams. Just in the business of 1000 grams of good, that shopkeeper cheated 210 grams. So now profit percent is equal to actual profit by CP into 100%. Actual profit means 210 gram divided by 1000 gram into 100%. Let's calculate it. The answer will be 21%. Now next question number 6. If a man sells 20 liter of well for the cost price of 22 liter, find his gain percent. Let's see the solution. Let CP of 1 liter well is equal to RSX. It means CP of 22 liter well is equal to 22x. CP of 20 liter well is equal to 20x. Now according to question, SP of 20 liter well is equal to CP of 22 liter well. See here, 22 liter well for the cost price of 22 liter well. So SP of 20 liter well is equal to CP of 22 liter well. CP of 22 liter well is given 22x. 22x. Now this 22x is greater than 20x, so we have profit. Now profit percent equal to SP minus CP by CP into 100. SP is equal to 22x. CP means 20x by 20x into 100%. Let's calculate it. 22x minus 20x means 2x by 20x into 100%. 1 by 10 into 100%. 1 0 1 0 cancel. That is 10% is the answer. Thank you for watching my video.